Now on the American Health Journal. An amazing discovery has proven vital to cardiovascular health: nitric oxide. Our executive producer, Roland Perez, interviewed the winner of the 1988 Nobel Prize in Medicine on this recent discovery.
At the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA, I had the opportunity to interview Dr. Louis Ignarro. Dr. Ignarro won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for his research into nitric oxide. And now he's using nitric oxide in exciting new treatments for heart disease that produce instant and dramatic results that may lower blood pressure and even reduce cardiac disease.
Nitric oxide was a molecule I wasn't studying until the late 1970s. My colleague who shared the Nobel Prize, Fred Murad, had discovered that nitric oxide could elevate the cellular levels of an important signaling molecule called cyclic GMP. And we became interested in how this might occur. We knew that drugs like nitroglycerin, which had been used since the days of Alfred Nobel 150 years ago to treat hypertension and treat heart pain, we knew the drug worked very well, but the mechanism of action was unknown. So we thought that perhaps the nitro part of nitroglycerin might somehow be converted in the body to nitric oxide. And so we did some key experiments, and we showed that nitroglycerin can be metabolized, if you will, to nitric oxide in the smooth muscle of the arteries. And we then showed that nitric oxide was the active principle responsible for the vasodilating action of the nitroglycerin. So this is how we first started to look at NO, because we suspected nitroglycerin might work through a nitric oxide mechanism. And what this led to, very simply, was the recognition that nitric oxide is such a potent vasodilator in the body, and we couldn't understand why our body would have receptors to interact